to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello young artists, and welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you. We'll be creating a stunning rainbow-colored rose. But, as we draw in color, I've got an enchanting story to share with you, the tale of the rainbow color rose garden mystery. So, let's pick up our markers and embark on this magical journey together. Alright, artists, let's start by drawing a beautiful rose with our trusty black marker. Remember, each petal should have its own unique shape and personality. There's something so mesmerizing about the elegance of a rose, don't you think? As we bring our rose to life, imagine it blooming in a secret garden filled with wonder. Now comes the most exciting part. We're going to add rainbow colors to our rose. But before we dive into the colors, let me tell you about the rainbow color rose garden mystery. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a hidden garden where roses of every color thrived. But there was one rose that was truly unique, the rainbow color rose. This special rose was unlike any other. Its petals held the colors of the rainbow, and it could change its hues with the passing of the sun. People believed it held a secret, a magical power. As the story goes, anyone who could discover the secret behind the rainbow color rose's ever-changing colors would be granted a single, heartfelt wish. You've done an amazing job today, young artists. I hope you enjoyed our artistic adventure and the magical story that unfolded. Remember, art is all about imagination and storytelling. You can create your own stories through your artwork, just like we did today. Don't forget to share your vibrant creations with us. We'd love to see your rainbow color roses. Thanks for joining us at Toddlers Art Hub. Keep practicing your art skills, and don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. Until next time, happy drawing and coloring, my creative artists. And remember, just like the rainbow color rose, your art has the power to weave beautiful tales and inspire wonder. Keep exploring your artistic magic. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.